Hi everyone. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to bring your GitHub fork up to date with the original project. We'll start by setting up the upstream source. You'll see me add it on the screen so our local copy knows where to pull updates from. Next, I'll take a moment to confirm the list of remotes, just to make sure everything is linked correctly. After that, I'll fetch the latest changes from upstream so the newest work becomes available for this project. Here, I'm switching over to the main branch to prepare for the update. Now I'll rebase this branch on top of the upstream version. This keeps our fork aligned with all the current updates. If any conflicts appear, I'll pause and resolve them, then continue the process until everything is clean. With the rebase complete, I'll push the updated branch back to my fork so it reflects the latest changes. And that's it. Your fork is now fully synced and ready to go. Thanks for following along.